Hey there everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a map that you get from or you export from Google Maps, turn into a raster image that we can convert on AutoCAD and then turn that into a vector object that you can then edit or change using your preferred CAD software. So first things first, let's open up Maps. If you notice here, there are a lot of labels and tags that we want to get rid of. There really isn't a native way to do this, but there's a way that we can sort of mess with the source of the source code of the page itself to get rid of the apps itself. When you go to satellite mode, there's a way that we can turn off the labels. But then again, this isn't what we want to export into AutoCAD. It's not going to be a clean copy. Ideally we want to use map mode. So what we can do is right-click here and inspect. This is going to be a bit complicated, so feel free to pause the video and check what I'm doing so you can do exactly what it is that I'm doing. So for the first thing we want to do is turn labels on. And as you can see here in labels off, there was this object that was included, style display none. Now I want you to select the whole thing and then delete that, then press enter. What that does is it makes this viewable now on satellite. Now next thing, go to map view, and then if you scroll up here, you're going to see something on this. It says style display none. You're going to want to delete that as well. Press enter. Then now when you press on this button here, you can click on labels off, and it takes away the labels here in map mode. In classic Google Maps, I think there's a way to do that easily, but right now there really isn't a way to do it easily here on the new Google Maps web version, so that's the only way to do that. Once you find something that's clean and something that you want to convert, the next step would just be to print it as a PDF, or you can screenshot it if you want as well. You can print it here. Select print. Just make it as big as you want. I think the largest available size for me here would be A0. So let's just click save. And Google Maps.pdf, that should be good. The next step would be to open up AutoCAD. Open up the file. With the PDF, it can actually carry both vector and raster objects. With Google Map files, for some reason it has a vector object that kind of covers the raster object. All we really need to do is to click on OK here, and just close the vector object. So we can close this, so we don't have to save it. So no. And what we're left is with the raster object. Next step would be to clean it up. Just clean image. This is tricky because we have to find a level that shows the outlines of the buildings while not completely making the buildings black solid objects. So I find 240, 241 usually does it. 240 should be good. Maybe a bit more. Okay, I think this should be good. The next step would be to maybe just click smooth and thicken lines as well. Click on OK here. Then the next step would be to convert the image itself. So just click on convert, technical vectorize. Here in object identification, let's just untick the ones that aren't in the image. Obviously there aren't any arcs there, so we just untick this one. No circles as well. Arrow lines, dash lines, hatch lines. And then now it should be okay. You can snap to other angles as well, because I think not everything here is 90 and 180 degrees. Now we click on Run. And then we're going to see a preview of the converted image over here. This looks clean enough. If we're happy with that, we'll click on OK. Now we have this vector file, as you can see. All of these are individual vector lines. The last step, the second to the last step rather, is to try and set the scale options here. For example, if we know for a fact that this street is, I don't know, 100 meters or feet or whatever it is that you prefer to use, let's just keep it at meters here. For this example, we just click and drag here. Oh, also we have to make sure that we snap the endpoints, so it snaps to the endpoints of these lines. Click and drag, click on calibrate, and let's say this is, I don't know, 400 meters, so 400 meters there. Click on apply. This should set the scale of the whole object appropriately. After we're okay with that, we just click on File, Save as Vector, and pick whatever format it is that you want. To be safe, I just go with the older DWG format for most objects. And then once we name it and save, click on OK, and that should be good. So I hope that this was helpful, and you guys should have a better time converting Google Map images using ScanToCAD.